Hi guys, I'm back with one more GenCrafts pouring video for the time being. This is going to be the use of the metallics this time. Now, everybody loves metallics. I love metallics. And as you can see, again, I've used the swatch, the cardboard box as the swatch. And I don't know, I just got kind of tickled by the last painting we did with the plain colors. I don't want to say plain, they weren't plain. The regular set of acrylic pouring from GenCrafts, that I think we're going to try the same technique this time again. And we're going to use the metallics this time. And I'm going to use the iron pearl right here as the background instead of black. I had thought about using black because I love metallics on black. They really, really stand out against the black. But I love, love, love this iron pearl. And so I want to give that a try. I don't know how many colors we're going to use. We may use all of them. I don't know. So, but what I think I'm going to do this time, instead of having all of them the same, I'm going to do two troughs. One with a couple of chains in one set of colors and one with a couple of chains in the other set of colors. So I'm going to move these out of the way. And again, the metallics are a little bit thicker than the neon colors. And typically, metallics tend to be a little thicker once they're mixed up anyway. Nora, can you let Abby out, please?
Yeah.
So I think we're going to just go for all the colors with the background color of the iron pearl. I don't know if I want to use the gold or not. We may use the gold. I don't know. So I'm going to set these aside so they're not in the way. You also do have a really pale, it's called ice silver. It's really pretty. And then you also have a titanium white that has a shimmer sheen to it, a pearl to it, if you will. So I am going to cover the canvas in this color. Look how pretty that color is. Ooh, that is so pretty. Look at that. So I'm going to cover the canvas in this color right here, off camera, because I know how boring they can be to watch people spread paint. I've seen people do it for like 10 minutes at a time, and I just don't get that. So, okay, I will be right back. Alright guys, so I've put the silver on, but it is already drying towards the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's already drying, so it's going to probably cause problems at the bottom. But we're going to go ahead anyway. And there's a good spot for that one. And remember, you've got to have enough hanging off to to create your little hold. Stop. Woo, I've already run out of chain. I'm not paying attention. This is a much longer canvas. This is like a 9 by 12. Whoa, we don't want to drip on there. Let's get a hold of you. There we go. The colors are very pretty together. I've got some super short ones here. And there's that one. Oh, we got another long one. I don't know how I managed that. Okay. Oh, grab it. Grab it, grab it, grab it. There's that one. Okay, and then we got one more little chain here. I think actually I'm going to put it over here. Just because it seems to have more space over here. Okay, now let's see if we can gather these up because they're all very, very short. Might have to actually pull them off a little bit before I can stick them through my ring here. Oh, the dogs are worked up over something. Okay. You have to do this carefully. Next time, leave longer chain. Or use a shorter canvas. Come on, go in there, please. Or you use a bigger ring, maybe? Alright, guys, I'm trying. Okay. Maybe it's this little one that's causing problems for me. It's not wanting to go into the ring here because it's so short. Oh. Alright. I'm about to have to stop the video so we can get this to cooperate. Alright, so this is really a good lesson. Y'all make sure you have your chains long enough before you try this. Okay. There we go. We got them all in there now. Y'all stop laughing at me. Okay. Are they all coming through? They're all coming through. Woo, thank goodness. Uh-oh. That one is going to cover over my pretty... Oh, well. You have to keep stopping so you don't pull the chain off the edge of the table there. And there we go. Woo! That was that was pretty tough. That's okay. I think it turned out really pretty. I feel like it needs some more like little chain pulls through there. So I'm trying to decide if I want to put a few more in there, like over top of this. I think I'm gonna do that because I have all this paint here. So I'm gonna pause for just a second and wash the chains off. We'll be right back. All right, so I have washed my chains off and I've put just 2 in here. I think maybe we'll just do 2. Oh, I don't know, maybe 3. We'll get another short one and do just like a little bitty one here. And I just sort of, tapped my paint. So the paints are going to be way more mixed up this time. But I think it'll still be pretty. So this one, we're going to do here. There we go. There's that one. I'll go ahead and feed it through my ring there. Because I was smart and left more of a tail on it this time. And then we're going to go for the other one, which is the warm colors. I think we'll put it over here. Because that one got covered over anyway. And I want it to... There we go. And we're going to feed that one through there. There we go. I think that was definitely a smarter idea. And one more little one. We're going to put it over here. If I can get it to stay still long enough. There we go. Okay, and let's feed it through my wedding band there, which, by the way, makes a perfect little pull. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that definitely made it prettier. Okay, I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to touch it again because it is perfect. Well, in my eyes anyway. I'm going to put my chains in some water and bring you down for a look. Okay, and the reason you're seeing lines in the silver is because I swiped it down with a paper towel, trying to make it nice and even because I didn't want to waste a lot of paint just pouring it all over the place. But I think it gave it some interesting texture. Now these are the ones that we started off with. And then of course we've got these down here with actually a mixture where the paint kind of mixed together, which made them a little more interesting. Oh, look how pretty that is. Really pretty. I kind of like that silver background. It makes them kind of delicate. They look really... I love these metallics. Really, really pretty. We'll have to see what they look like in the sunshine when it's all dry. Alright guys, there's your pretty for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And I hope you try it out. I hope you definitely go to GenCrafts and order some of their pouring paint kits. Again, I will put the links, or the links for their, sorry, for their basic color set, which is 24 different colors, and their neon colors, and their metallics. I absolutely love the metallics. So yeah, I kind of wish, staring at it, I wish I had just poured that silver color on the background, so it was a little, I don't know, it's kind of bothering me. It's a little too distracting with the lines through it, but oh well, that's okay. You live and learn. But yeah, I think this one turned out really cool. Might have to try this one again. I think adding that second layer of chain pulls really gave it some more depth. So, all right, guys, stay happy and healthy. And yeah, thank you for supporting my channel in all the ways that you do. And yeah, I love you all. See you later. Bye.